Monese and PayPal, best buds or broken bond? Ever been at checkout online, ready to snag that sweet new jacket, only to realize you don't have your debit card handy? Maybe you left it at home, or perhaps you prefer a more digital approach to payments. This is where services like PayPal come in, offering a quick and secure way to pay without needing a physical card. But what if you use Monese, a popular mobile banking app, for your everyday finances? Does Monese play nice with PayPal? Let's dive in and see. For those new to the game, Monese offers a mobile banking alternative. Think of it like a virtual bank account you manage through your phone. It boasts features like international money transfers, multi-currency accounts, and instant notifications, all designed for a mobile-first generation. Sounds pretty cool, right? But the question remains, can you seamlessly connect your Monese account to the PayPal universe? The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. Monese and PayPal have joined forces to create a financial dream team. This means you can link your Monese account to PayPal, unlocking a world of benefits. Here's how it works. First things first, you'll need to be a Monese customer. If you haven't signed up yet, the process is quick and easy. Download the app, provide some basic information, and voila, you're in. Once you're a proud Monese account holder, head over to the app settings and look for the function to link external accounts. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to search for PayPal and initiate the connection. Now, the beauty of this connection goes beyond just linking accounts. Here are some of the cool perks you can expect. Unified view. Imagine being able to see your PayPal balance and recent transactions directly within the Monese app. Talk about convenience. No more switching between apps to keep track of your finances. Speedy payments. Need to send some cash to a friend or pay for an online purchase. With your Monese card linked to PayPal, you can make payments faster and smoother than ever before. Global reach. The world is your oyster when it comes to online shopping and money transfers. Since both Monese and PayPal operate internationally, you can leverage this connection to send and receive payments across borders with ease. But wait, there's more. Not only can you link your Monese account to PayPal, but you can also add your Monese debit card directly to your PayPal wallet. This makes online checkouts a breeze. Just select your Monese card as your preferred payment method within PayPal, and you're good to go. No more fumbling with card details, simply click and confirm for a seamless shopping experience. Now, let's address a potential concern. While linking your Monese account to PayPal unlocks a bunch of advantages, it's important to remember that there might be some minor fees involved depending on the specific transaction you're making. Always double-check the fees associated with any transaction before hitting that confirm button. So, to wrap it up, does Monese accept PayPal? Absolutely. In fact, they've teamed up to offer a powerful financial duo that simplifies your online transactions and keeps your finances organized. From viewing your PayPal balance within the Monese app to making speedy payments with your linked card, the benefits are undeniable. Just remember to keep an eye out for any potential fees, and you're golden. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.